What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic. I'm the Broken Watch Guy, and if this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. And folks, today, doing an unboxing. You would know that because you clicked on the thumbnail. But, pretty cool watch here. I've had my eye on this guy for a long time. I never pulled the trigger because it was just a little too much money, more than what I was willing to pay for it. But I recently saw this at a discount. Not a great discount, but you know, a price where I felt a little more comfortable buying it. So without further delay, let's get into this unboxing. All right, here we have our packaging. Amazon, so they make this painless most of the time. Let's see if it actually works the way it's supposed to. All right, we have luck. And the box is a little beat up. Looks like it took a bit of a beating in shipping. Star Wars. Now, if you guys been following my channel, you know I am a bit of a science fiction nerd. If I mentioned it before. Damn shame the box fell apart. So this is a Citizen Rebel pilot. I wish I could salvage the box, but the box looks like it's gone. It's history. But I've been after this watch for a long time. I had my eye on it for a long time. I never pulled the trigger because the watch was always over 300 bucks. Recently came across it on Amazon for about $250. So that's a decent discount for this watch. It's actually the first Citizen that I own. Oh, yeah, this is pretty. This is a pretty watch. I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. Feels heavy. Does feel heavy. Oh, I like the clasp. It's got extra security on the clasp. The case is pretty cool too. Nice quality case. May the force be with you. I'm probably going to keep this guy on display in this case. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is a dope watch. This is a dope watch. I got to figure it out. I got to read the instructions and figure it out. But this is the Citizen Rebel pilot. There is a couple versions of this. There's a black one. And I want to say there's about 2 or 3 different versions of this guy. This is the one that I always liked. This is the one that always appealed to me. Like I said, I've wanted this guy for a while. It was just always a little too expensive for my taste. You know, but now that I see it and I see what kind of watch it is, I kind of understand why it was always a little overpriced. At least I felt like it was overpriced. This watch actually packs a lot of features in it. You know, when I started doing my research, cool case back. Doesn't say much, but you know, it's got the X-Wing fighter back there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. So, just a quick unboxing, ladies and gents. I wanted to show you guys this watch. It is currently on sale. Well, it's not really. Well, yeah, you can say it's on sale at a little bit of a discount, Amazon. So if you have interest in this watch and you were holding on for the same reason, you know, hey, pull the trigger. Go check it out. For a full watch review on this guy to follow. With that, ladies and gents, I will see you on my next one. Peace.